Subscribers everyone is very good evening. We will see for the Nifty 50. Okay, so we will go on analysis in the today. I will mention for higher high. Okay, after we will go to analysis the this low. Okay, after you will get this low. After you will getting this level. Okay, you will go on change it the day chart. So you will go whenever you will take it for nearest 24,300 in the market will be going to the higher high 26,350. Okay, sideways market. This is low, this is high market. Okay, again market here, and this is low, market will be correction. I will be sideways for these levels. Okay, again market will be increase in the 26,300 and 400. Otherwise market be again coming for this levels. So 26,400 will be higher high in the market levels. Okay, so market will be coming again downtrend for this levels. So finally market will be 24,572 the level. Okay, so market will be increase. We will expecting for the next. We will see for the trend right now. We will what is we will trading levels expecting high and low. Okay, this is high, this is the low. So market will be retesting the 0.618. So right now we will write it whenever market will be Nifty 50, whenever buy trend means 26,115, 26,016. After breakout only is market will be buy trend. Otherwise market will be downtrend. Same time you will go on choosing is high, the low, is the lower high. Okay, market again to giving to target for 0.600 25,483. Okay, this is Nifty levels. After breakout for this levels means tomorrow coming Monday will be trading for breakout this levels is market moving to 25,344 41 25,227. Okay, this is the level for next level of Nifty. Otherwise go to next support and resistance levels. Okay, we will see for yesterday videos. Otherwise I will mention to Okay, these levels. So after market will be moving for 24,651 or 0.6 0.786 25,350. Okay, I will update for tomorrow or Monday. Okay, uh, Nifty levels, next levels. After breakout for nearest coming maximum 24,651. Okay, this is for Nifty levels. We'll go to the Bank Nifty. So market will be, I will move the higher time frame. Okay, we'll go to 12 months. 3 months. Let's go to 1 week. Okay, weekly chart. This is higher high. This is low. Okay. After breakout means go to the day chart. So go to analysis the same. We will put here. Here don't have here support resistance levels. Okay, market will be only buy above for this high after breakout for these levels. 0.618 60,926. Otherwise market will be trading around 0.60,684. Okay, market will be not breaking for these levels. Otherwise breakout these levels only go to buy and trade. Take it buy and trade. We will see for the target. Okay, we'll go on. uh, 0.69 or 0.5. Market will be trading around nearest 60,042. We'll expecting for the Bank Nifty 0.59,800 or 59,534. This is will be expecting target for Bank Nifty. Okay, otherwise you will see the next support resistance levels. I will move to weekly chart or monthly chart. Bank Nifty. Just go to 3 months. Take it for target levels. Market will be 0.786 below. Go to sell entry. Okay, day chart. 0.786 0.786 68 38 below. We will go to sell entry for tomorrow market. Only market will be these levels. Go to 4 hours chart. Okay, only buy these levels only. Okay, market will be trading around these levels. This is support. So this high after breakouting. Go to market will be buy trend. This is buy levels. Market trading around sideways market. Okay, we will expecting for downtrend or small correction for buy side. So market will be after breakout only for these levels. So only buy trend. Okay, you have liked this video means go to like and subscribe. We will see for the next video. So we will note it for everything. And after we will see for the any doubt will be there means ask to comment box or text to mail. Okay, we will see for tomorrow. Thank you.